I can't believe that I had completely forgotten that I actually bought this pool skimmer also. It's Intex pool skimmer, Deluxe pool skimmer. You can find this on Amazon. That's where I got it from. I'll link that in the description below as well. But this Deluxe skimmer is not made for the summer waves pool, and I'll show you why. So the video was originally to go over, I guess basically open, review, or open, install, then review this filter pump. But as it turns out, I completely forgot that I had this in the garage that I purchased before this one even arrived. So that's why I forgot about it. But this is a Deluxe pool skimmer. I don't remember the cost, but I'll link it down below. I got it on Amazon. And let me open it and let's get it figured out. So the good thing is that we did everything else. So now we can try to figure this out because we need to configure it to the summer waves pool, and I'll show you why. So handy dandy little box cutter here. So this comes with these two little options, and this is the little option. These are the options. There's that one, which is there. There's this one, which is that one. And this is the one that we're gonna install onto our pool since we have those little metal brackets. Okay, and then these pieces, these two pieces are this one. Whoops, not that one. But this piece inserts into there. It's just a little press and snap. That's all it is. Moving on. Next, we'll loosen this screw in order to give it enough room for this piece to insert. This piece actually just slides in and out, and then you adjust it at whatever height you would like it. It's known as the hook assembly. All right, so this is the summer waves pool that we have, and we're presented with the problem that we don't have a small hole like that the skimmer's supposed to be able to pump out. Instead, we have that big hole, and that attaches to our old pump and filter. But I'm going to show you, I found this on another YouTube video, but I'm going to show you how we're going to get around this. This is important to get around this little piece here, and I'll show you why. In the video that I saw, let's see, the woman said that there's internals in the motor that I should probably have taken out, but I'm going to leave them in just because I saw another video that said I could. So getting back to this, there's this little ring here. You just take that off and you can put it to the side. I'm just going to drop it real quick. And then you should be able to install it according to that video. What do you know? Sure fits in there perfect. You see this big hole? That one wouldn't work with what we're doing. So this will just attach right onto that blue piece. It's supposed to. And then this is supposed to attach right into the bottom of that. So let me install this. I think it should just pop on there. That's on there pretty freaking tight. All right, that's actually pretty freaking tight. And then this other half is gonna go to that blue piece. And that should be it after we just install this onto the pool. And then this is the skimmer itself, or this is the skimmer itself. And just, you can find many videos on there online, but this thing's really cool. And hopefully this thing really works. So there's the skimmer attached, and then that hose, just like I had said and shown or predicted because of the videos, it just that little blue thing just screws in there, fits just right, and then the hose attaches. Just slip it on there. But two things that I didn't know I had to do. Well, one thing, this little thing that, you know, that little flap, just it comes right off. So just take it off. And then this little skimmer here, these two things basically get in the way of that hose, and you need to get rid of it. So just take it off. Lastly, I will just put this, I'll put this little thing right back on. There it is. That's where the skimmer's at for now. It can easily be moved. Just loosen these, shift it around left, right, or anywhere else you want to. Oh, actually, no, I'm lying, because you need that hose to stay here. So, or just in the vicinity, enough to where it reaches there. Pieces we don't need or shouldn't need anymore. I'll still hold on to them though. I will still hold on to them just in case. So everything that I have here, I'm still gonna hold on to just because. And I'll either put them in that box or, no, I'll put them. They should fit in this Intex box, and I'll keep all the instructions and everything just in case I need to return it or something just doesn't work. Who knows? But that should be it up until my pool fills up and I can turn that pump on again. I will get back to you and let you know how it's working and if there's a huge difference, which there should be. Like I said, I'm gonna let it fill up, and the only thing that I can think of that's gonna be a problem is the fact that I didn't take all those pieces out of the internals in the motor, the original motor. If for some reason I notice that it's not working or it's going too slow, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna have to take that back apart and then, yeah, take it apart, take those little internals out, and hopefully that fixes it. But up until then, like I said, I'm gonna get back to you as soon as that pool fills up a little bit, and I'll see you in one quick thing I'm gonna do while it continues to fill up until I can turn on that pump. I'm going to shock the pool really quick. Pool's not murky by any means, but I'm just gonna throw it in there because this water has been sitting for a few days. Here we go. There it is. There is debris at the bottom. I have a little vacuum that I'm gonna use. For now, we just wait and let's see what happens. But like I said, there's debris at the bottom that I need to clean up, and I'm gonna see what this filter can do. I doubt it's gonna get anything from the bottom. I mean, if it does, that would be cool. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna go over it with the vacuum. No one will be in it today, but for this weekend, yes. And that's when I want it very clean by. That's the little bleach tablet, you know, floater. And I'm gonna clean this out, put a few bleach tablets as well. And then we should have a clean pool, or as clean as it can get without manually doing anything. So that's the objective of this video as well, to just limit manually cleaning the pool. So with this and everything else, hopefully it'll do a lot of the work that I don't. So all these tools that I've included in this, that I purchased and included in this video, I'm gonna post them, I'm gonna link them, so if you want them, you can get them. But basically, they're an investment towards my future time in cleaning the pool. I don't want to keep cleaning the pool manually. I mean, that's part of having one, I guess. But if I'm just gonna try to limit cleaning it myself, and hopefully this thing will get rid of a lot of the dirt and debris that I would otherwise do manually. Because that little pump that comes with the pool is just not doing it. It's just math.